YouTube.
Yeah.
What's up?
Okay, is everyone here? Anyone missing?
What?
Here's part of Jake from.
Hi.
What's up, guys?
Last year it worked. Wait, no. So we're going to test it. It will not
Here's
splatter
Ethan
on
from it. Hey guys, we'll be doing elephant toothpaste today.
And there's the toothpaste starting to foam out over top. So all that is oxygen coming out of the hydrogen peroxide. In a minute.
I just want to touch it so bad.
In a minute. If you touch it, it's just one finger, and then you're going to make sure that you wash your hands when we go back inside. Go ahead, give it a touch.
Give it a touch!
Okay, back up after you've done it.
Oh, that's nasty. Jake touched it. Jake touched it, guys.
on my fingers.
How does it feel, Jake?
Not good. It's like, this doesn't feel good. It's just those weird.
One of my friends also touched it, yeah.
Dawson.
How's it feel, Dawson?
This is the weirdest.
What does it feel like? What does it feel like, Jake?
It feels like toothpaste. It feels like soap. It feels like toothpaste. This feels like soap.
Hold this, Jake. I'm gonna go touch it.
Landon's gonna go touch it. Landon's gonna go touch it.
That's because they put more of it in. I only used a half a
How
cup
come
and then
it's so
1 to 3.
Oh,
So
Yeah, see, does it feel like soap? It feels like soap.
It's like bubbles.
Yeah, like bubbly soap.
Yeah, it does.
It feels like toothpaste.
Soap, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, it feels like, oh,
Yeah.
getting it on me.
This is awesome. Yeah.
So Ethan's broadcasting this too. What?
Hi. Hi.
So big.
That was awesome. Caden's on a rampage, I think. Hey, Landon.
It's nasty.
Hey. Okay, Landon, here you go.
Really cool. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's our first video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.